Dr. Charney, what conclusions did you draw from your investigation?
I examined the body of Jacob Bennett, and using my knowledge of biology and entomology, I found several clues on the body.
Thank you. And isn't it true that potassium-based PMI estimates are not exact?
It looks like the real thing with prosecutors, witnesses, and a judge, but what you are actually watching is a mock trial with students from Green Bay East High School, and they are practicing their case before heading to an international tournament in New York City. But they need your help to get there. The students are up early this morning to tell us about their honor and their efforts to raise money. Joining us live from East High is Mia Richards, a junior, and Doc Howman, the group's advisor. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Doc, let me start with you. Tell us about the mock trial there at Green Bay East and how they were able to get themselves to New York City.
Well, mock trial is a co-curricular activity. Students are given a case. They break it down into their own trial materials. They develop their cross-exam, their direct exam, opening statements, and closing arguments. We have student attorneys and student witnesses. The kids put in a tremendous amount of time. The competitions are held in real courtrooms, judged by a jury and a judge, and students receive points on their performance. This team is an extraordinary team. We come from a very competitive region with very strong teams. We've been fortunate to make it all the way to state. At state, we finished very, very strongly. That finish, plus the fact that we're gaining quite a bit of attention throughout the state for our accomplishments, we were invited to compete in the only world tournament for mock trial in New York City this October.
Mia, what did you think when you found out you'd be heading to New York City?
I was extremely excited. I mean, it's such a great honor to be not only invited to, instead of a national competition, it's a world competition, and it's just amazing to go through the experience of such a challenging case that really pushes us to test what we know and develop our skills even further.
What are some of those skills that you've learned by being part of mock trial?
Along with the legal skills that we gain and actually being able to put those skills to the test in real-life legal situations, I think that students gain a lot of self-confidence as far as public speaking, and you really learn how to be a leader as well as work with other people in your team.
And Doc, in order to get to New York City, the students have to raise quite a bit of money, don't they?
We do, and the parents who are extraordinary, as well as our coaches, have all been working together as a strong team. It costs a little over $11,000 to do this. We're on our way. So far this month, we've raised about $4,000. Paul Jaden and the Chamber of Commerce have really helped us with that strategy, with that plan, and helping to open some doors. But really, a lot of it is going from neighbor to neighbor. We have a rummage sale coming up, a number of other things that we're doing. Everybody's just very busy. And that's why this program has been so successful. Again, extraordinary kids, the very best, and terrific coaches and wonderful parents.
Well, thank you both for telling us all about your honor, about heading to New York City. And if people who are watching right now want to help, they can go to our website for information on how to do that, fox11online.com. Just click on Good Day Wisconsin, and we'll check back with you and the other students next hour.
Thank you, Rachel.